Hello, my name is Daniel Hudson, and I'm a sophomore at Tennessee Tech University. And today I'm going to be talking about what an inference is and why it is important in group communication. Cambridge Dictionary states that an inference is a guess that you make or an opinion that you form based on the information that you have. But in layman's terms, an inference is just assumption that a person makes by the facts in front of them. An experienced communication textbook states that there are two types of inferences, an indirect inference and a direct inference. An indirect inference is one we draw by observations, and a direct inference is based on deliberately gathered data. So the good question is, why do we even need to use inferences in group communication, and why is it important to do so? Well, in group communications, you can use inferences from observations or gathered data, or in other words, indirect inferences and direct inferences, to create deeper conversations without asking meaningless questions. And doing this can make conversations more efficient and make sure conversations are to the point and solely about the topic at hand. The real reason I chose this topic is since I was little, I've loved science and math, and through that time and fun experiences, I needed to infer or hypothesize what's going to happen in an experiment. And it's important to do, even if you're wrong, to infer, and you can learn from it. And a specific example is back in this summer, I went to Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. And before I came here, I inferred that using pictures and listening to past talks and information about Pennsylvania is that area isn't the best area. But once I got there, I was wrong. I inferred wrong, and it was a great place, and it had great food and a great environment. So this is what an inference means and why it is very important in life and in group communication to infer so you can learn in the future and grow in your understanding of ideas and concepts.